Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain how to solve this word problem involving uh, y and x intercepts. Alright, so let's start with, it's really important to know that you might need a calculator for these exercises, okay? So let's start with this problem. Conrad read a 180-page book cover to cover in a single session at a constant rate. It took him 6 hours. Let y represent the number of pages left to read after t hours. All right, so let's first draw. Let's try to make a drawing of this. All right. And then we can come back to the questions. All right, so let's do that. This is a little bit crooked, but you're gonna get the idea. All right, since we are on a positive axis here, I'm just gonna draw on this section. And so here it gives me 6 hours. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, actually I'm gonna do intervals of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. I don't need that, but I'm just gonna do it. All right. And 0 is here. And here I have 180 page. So I'm going to do intervals of 40. So 40, 80, 120, 160, 200. So 200 here, 160 here. So 180 is going to be somewhere here. That's just to have an idea. You know, this is not in scale, but just to have an idea. I'm going to choose a different color here. All right, so here this will be the time, and this will be pages. All right, and it's telling me that Conrad read a 180-page book. Okay, so I know that when he started reading the book, he had 180 pages to read, and when he started, time hadn't passed yet, you know. All right, so you have here a y-intercept, okay? When time is 0, he has 180 pages. And then here, 6 hours. When 6 hours passed, if you can see here, he read the whole book from cover to cover. That means that it took him 6 hours. So when 6 hours passed, there were 0 pages to read. So that will be your x-intercept. And then you just have this line from here to here. So basically you have 6 hours and 0 pages, and you have 180 pages and 0 hours. All right, so you have here your y-intercept. Sorry, that's wrong. Let me delete this. This goes here. That was wrong. 0, 180. So you have your y-intercept and your x-intercept. So that will be that problem. I hope you understand the logic here. All of these problems are very conceptual. So it's good to understand intercept. It's good to understand the logic behind them. So then you have 3 options here: slope, and x-intercept, slope and y-intercept, and slope and a point that is not an intercept. I think we're missing one. I believe we're missing something here. The idea here would be to be y-intercept and x-intercept. All right, that's all.